Guess the donut break's over.
You been hitting the sauce tonight, ma'am?
No, sir, officer. I've been hitting the sauce all day long.
Are my eyes fooling me, or am I looking at Vera Montello?
Who?
Wife of the late Johnny Montello. Before your time. Scum of the earth, this guy. Used to run this town before he got whacked.
As much as I'm enjoying this walk down memory lane, I think I'll just be leaving.
Okay, come on, Grandma. Let's get you back to the old folks' home. No!
If I ever hear my Johnny's name pass through your lips again, I'll cut him off. Old girl still got it.
Vera, did you just knock out 2 cops? How? You found the tequila, didn't you?
You thought I wouldn't look behind the washing machine?
Hey, I'm impressed you know that we have a washing machine. That thing was rusted over when I found it.
Can we chat domestic troubles later? We need to get out of here.
My thoughts exactly. You the kid?
Yeah, Jason.
You drive.
Drive what?
The truck!
Shouldn't we go to the police? Frank's trying to kill me!
The cops are on Frank's payroll, just like the rest of this town.
Just drive, kid. We'll worry about Frank later.
Head north to the strip.
I gotta get me one of these. Handles like a dream.
It may not be a Galapino, but it'll bust through any police blockades. Guess you've had to shake cops before. Probably after they found out you were shooting all those rats.
What can I say? Boston's finest protect the rights of man and fireman.
Nice one, kid.
Didn't see you there.
I'll drink to that.
That'll leave a mark.
Congratulations, kid. You're a rising star on Vegas's most wanted list. Karen, gun.
Catch.
This is not going well.
Get away!
Well, that was a gas.
More fun than I've had in a long time.
Karen, tell Jason that if he just gives me a little time, I think I can work things out with Frank. It's delicate, but we'll figure it out.
You do know I'm standing right here. So now what?
We're good here. It's safe. Just, lay low for a while. We'll be in touch.
Hello?
Hey, it's Karen.
How's it going?
It goes? So look, you're officially on the lam, which means you need your own piece. Swing by a shop and grab one.
Sounds good. Hey, I'm here. What should I get?
I don't know, whatever gun's shiniest. I'm not your big...
Alright, I got something.
Nice.
Alright, here's down. You need anything?
Nah, I'm good. Catch you later.
Dungeons of Delight is no more as of next Monday. Apparently, their building was bought by a large real estate conglomerate who plans on putting in another big chain coffee shop. A coffee shop! As if the 3 on that block weren't enough already. I'll never forget the times I spent rocking out to the tunes on the radio, digging all stiletto into the scrotum of some I owe keep it in your hearts, Robbers. Always.
Ventriloquism was a phase, but soon I couldn't separate John from the dummy.
My name is Mr. Smile, sweetheart.
When John decided to put down the dice, his own company held him back.
The more I begged him to leave the blackjack table, the more he kept betting. I lost everything. I think my wife started sleeping with another man.
You didn't see that coming.
Just when he thought it couldn't get any worse.
Mr. Smiles is twice the lover you'll ever be.
Who's the dummy now, Dunny?
Addiction, betrayal.
Mr. Smiles might be the father, John.
The DNA results are in. Don't miss the next Bernie Price, only on NTC.
Hello, Vegas. It's me again, Barry Jones. Now, something that you shake up earlier. Yelling at me in front of a small flake rock long mountain.
Did you know that nearly twice as many people are hospitalized for COVID than the flu? That's why it's important to stay up to date with your COVID vaccine, especially if you're at high risk or over the age of 65. This year,
Don't drop the soap, drop the bass.
$200. Give me.
What should we pick up today? Chinese? Mexican? What's the difference?
Bored of the same old thing? Then call Heidi's Hot Slices. Heidi's is serving up the hottest and spiciest varieties in Vegas. We've got French, Italian, Sicilian, and our very special.
With so many slices, how can I choose?
You don't have to, baby. Our $5.50 special gets you a quintet of our sauciest slices ready to do things that'll bring you to your knees.
Nice.
Heidi's Hot Slices. If we're not at your front door in 30 minutes or less, you can use the back door for free.
I'd always considered myself a happy person, you know? But lately, I found myself feeling sad. Are you sick of the sideways glances you get from friends and family because you're such a downer all the time?
Hello, everybody. Oh, hell.
Hey, kid. So listen. Obviously, you can't go back to your place. And as much as I'd like to let you crash on the lap dance couch at the club, I think you should find a place to stay. I'm gonna text you an address of a lead I got. Swing by, see if you like it.
This app should be illegal.
That was amazing!
Now you take a guy. He's caught up in a system, but he thinks he can break that system. No, system's gonna break him. Now here we got such a schmuck. Those who work with me, those who understand the system, they get taken care of, Jason.
Tell the room to stop.
Where are you, my tiny darlings? Where did... no need to lag, drag! Come on, before I come off! Oh boy.
Hell, man. What are you on that makes you run so fast?
Dad, move! The formula's getting away with the kid! Holy hookers! My mind is imploding and the world is on fire! Ooh, this formula is gonna be a hit! Come on! I'm hot on the scent! Dragons leave a wake of smoke and pixie dust!
You alright?
Wish I could undo that sandwich that I did. Oh, I'm winded.
I'll be faster without you.
Go! Go! Fly! Don't let the dragon touch your jewel capsule!
I can do this all day, little man.
Stop chasing me! Leave me alone!
Hold up, or I'm taking your lunch money!
Stop chasing me!